Good afternoon. We're doing 2020 Topps Museum Baseball for Mel. Good luck, Mel. Mel, I think, you got a way to keep going coming up. I think. Good luck, man. Hoskins, canvas of Pujols, I think. Canvas of Frank Thomas. Boy, this is a weird configuration. Double canvas.
Yeah, this case has been different.
Brendan McKay, rookie. Jeff, how you doing, man? Man, I'm in rare form. How about you? I appreciate all your help while I was gone. Keeping Kevin in line is pretty much full time, I know, but oh, okay, well. Starling Marte, quad. Juan Soto out of 150. Ramirez, Devers. Man, what a box. Schmaltzy, original artist, canvas collection.
Ooh.
Kevin P. West.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
Yeah.
There you go.
Wow. Can I see that?
That's an actual...
Joey Gallo, patch, triple jersey. Ozzie Smith. Congrats, man. Any guesses?
Booklet.
What was it?
Now, who is it?
Acuna and Aaron.
It's got a little bump on the edge.
Booklet.
Yeah,
Patch booklet.
just let them.
Yeah, it's supposed to have hinges.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get Mel to guess who it is.
Not attached by paper. Like a lot of the booklets.
Yeah.
It's actually got hinges on it.
I'm going to say, with the luck of stuff that we pull here, I'm saying Trout.
Mel. People say he's always lucky, so.
What a stinking box, though.
Acuna Shipley.
Mel says Canseco. Okay. Congrats, man. Good luck.
Ooh.
Yelich, Lindor, Scherzer out of 150. Good luck, Mel. Museum frame dual autograph patch. Hey, I gotta say it. This is out of one of my direct cases. Nice.
Oh.
All rise and Gleyber Torres.
Wow. Very nice. Those things, man, those are sharp looking.
Congrats, man. Beautiful card.
Wow.
Well,
Judge with the patch. Torres with the patch and auto.
That's how the same box I went for. I didn't have the same case. So he got the case hit.
And that is a 1 of 1, by the way.
Oh, I was gonna ask if I was a 1-on-1. Wow.
Man, that was a box, a 1 of 1 Schmaltz and a 1 of 1 Judge Torres
Can you imagine if
double.
you box scored that one?
Ooh.
Yeah,
You'd have to-
double 1 of 1s, yeah.
What would you have as a tiebreaker?
I don't know. Man, that would have hurt a minute to lose that one.
Yeah, it would.
Mel, how would you like this shipped? It's a little bit odd. Do you want us to wrap it in like bubble wrap? Put it in a graded card bag and wrap it in bubble wrap, maybe? Anyway, thank you very much. Congratulations.